Hi, I'm Bianca Woods, and today we're going to talk all about just how easy it can be to play a part in industry research. So, you might know that ATD does all sorts of really cool research projects throughout the year. But have you ever wondered how we find the people to play a part in that research? Well, a lot of the time when we want to know what's really happening in the talent development industry, we tap into our members. So, if you want your voice to be heard too, it's so easy to let us know. You just need an ATD account. And yes, if you have a free account, that absolutely works for this. Head on over to our website at td.org and then just make sure you're logged into your account. From there, click your initials at the top of the screen and then click Profile and Preferences. On the left-hand menu, we're going to pick your communication preferences. And in that, choose the email updates you wish to receive. This is the important part. Make sure you hit Edit Selection. We're going to scroll on down to Opportunities and Offers, and then just extend out that accordion a bit. And then from here, you want to make sure that you see that research survey section and that the box next to it is checked. If you've made any changes here, make sure you hit submit at the end and then you're all set. We now know it's okay to email you about any research survey that you might be a fit for. Now, if you want to boost your chances of getting selected, here's one more thing that you can do. Head on up to the personal information section and then add in any additional details about yourself that you're comfortable sharing. Because the more we know about you, the easier it is for us to know what research surveys you might want to play a part in. Participating in industry research is a fantastic way to give back to the community. And it also helps the ATD research reports be even more robust and accurate. So big thanks in advance for raising your hand and saying you want to get involved.